Welcome back for another video of how to utilize your online account with EasyHOA's software. As I mentioned in video number one, whoever's managing your HOA will set your account up, but once you have access to it, you'll be able to view and turn certain features on or off, and you'll have access to a lot of different things, such as one of the things we want to talk about right now is documents. So this is a pretty cool feature. Essentially, like I mentioned, whoever is managing the HOA will control which documents are viewable by the owners through their online account. So if you are logged in right now to your owner account, you'll be able to see whatever the board has uploaded into this particular section. For example, if you wanted to check in on the financials, you'd be able to view those here. There's also a section specific for documents for your particular owner account. So right now there's no files in this particular account, but if you had some things that you wanted to upload in here, maybe there was a signed agreement or some pictures or some documents that you wanted to store in your owner account, they could be here. The next thing I wanted to cover is the directory. So this is a pretty useful tool for people inside of the HOA. You can decide as an owner whether you want your information to be shared on the directory or not. And that way other members in the community can actually view what your first name is, last name, unit name, address, email, phone number. So if you say, I don't want to show my email, you just would disable that. Or if you want to turn it on, you can enable that like I just did with this radio button. Same with your phone number. You can turn that on so it displays your phone number and your email. And if all the other owners in the HOA enable these, then you'll be able to see a list of all the people in the HOA that have shared their contact information online. This is useful sometimes when you just want to get to know your neighbors, or maybe there's an emergency situation where you want to be able to notify somebody that their dog actually got loose and is running around the neighborhood. Anyways, so that's how the directory works. The next thing I wanted to cover is the events and the news. Essentially, the management company of the HOA or the board has access to create events and to add news articles or just basic news that they want the community to know about. And you can view those events and the news here in this section. So kind of useful. It kind of brings the community together. It's a cool little tool that you'll be able to stay connected with. So those are how those particular features work. And that concludes video number 2 of our 3-part series.